Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay. I hope you're keeping well and keeping safe. Just want to let you all know that Miss Simpson and myself and all the UIFS team are all really missing you, and we hope you enjoyed our letters. Okay, we are moving on to phase 4, phonics. It's very exciting. In phase 4 we don't learn any new digraphs or trigraphs. We have a little bit of time to make sure that we know all of the ones we've learned so far. We spend a little bit of time learning how to read some longer words, and and most importantly, this phase is all about reading and writing words that have adjacent consonants in them. Now those two words might scare you a little bit, but don't let them scare you, because we're going to do it together and we'll understand it really well. So adjacent just means next to, and a consonant is a letter, and it's every letter in the alphabet apart from the red letters, apart from A, E, I, O and U. So adjacent just means next to each other, and a consonant is just one of those green letters. So don't let it scare you, we'll learn them together. It did scare Miss Stansford a little bit at the start, but I've been practicing and now I can do it, so you'll do the same. So adjacent is next to each other, and a consonant is one of those green letters. We sometimes call them blends, because when they're next to each other we need to blend the sounds together. So I'll give you some examples because that helps you learn them. So in the word gift, there is adjacent consonants at the end of the word, and it's the F and the T making ft sound together. In the word frog, there are adjacent consonants at the start of the word, and it's F and R. Now in the word green, there's adjacent consonants at the start, and it's the G and the R making grr. Does that make sense? Okay, fabulous. It'll come clearer as we learn more words together, and as you're reading you'll be able to spot them in your books. Now some of you might be thinking, in these digraphs there are adjacent consonants as is the C and the H next to each other, or the N and the G, or the S and the H, and I completely understand. When you look at it you think there are two consonants and they are next to each other, but these sounds are digraphs and trigraphs, which mean when they're together they make a new sound together. We don't hear the k and we don't hear the, because together it's ch, whereas in the words frog you can hear f, og. You can hear the F and the R. They don't make a new sound. So with adjacent consonants we just need to learn to blend them together. So far we've been blending words like d or g, or for dog, or uk for hug, ug for hug, but now we're going to be reading some longer words which have some adjacent consonants in. Does that make sense? Brilliant. Okay, you might want to make one of these at home to learn the vowels and to learn the consonants. It's a lovely activity. Okay, so this week we are focusing on adjacent consonants being at the end of words. So some words then, like frog, it was at the start, but we are focusing on the adjacent consonants being at the end of a word. And this session, this first video, is going to be learning the sound these two adjacent consonants make together, and the sound is nd, nd, and it's at the end of hand and at the end of wind. Okay, so can you write in front of you the two letters you think make the sound nd together? Okay, you should have an N and a D on your whiteboard, because those two sounds together make nd. Now it's not a digraph because it's not a new sound together, it's just blending those sounds together. Well done. Okay, I've got a word here and I would like you to have a go at reading it. So we have got O, A, Nd. O, A, Nd. What's my word? Land. Well done. Okay, I'm going to write another word for you. What's my word? And. Hand. Well done. Okay, one more. O, E, Nd. O, E, Nd. Wind. Well done. Okay, well done for helping me read those words. I have got a sentence for you. This is my sentence. I hope you can see it. Can you have a go at reading it? You can pause the screen if that will help to have a little bit longer, because in about 10 seconds I'll read this with you, but you might want to have a go on your own. Okay, so at the start of the word, it's a tricky word, so I should have done this in red. Sorry, I've just realised I've made a little mistake. And that word is I. And the next word, J, O, M, P. J, O, M, P. Adjacent consonants at the end. I jump, and, and, O, and, O, and. Some more adjacent consonants. Land, well done. I jump and land. O, n. We're on this word now. O, n. On. Another tricky word. N and Y together makes my. I jump and land on my. Final word. Eat. Digraph in the middle. Eat. Feet. Can you read that sentence back to me? And I know we should be using our finger to point to the words. I'm sorry. I'm trying to hold it up. I jump and land on my feet. Thank you for helping me read that sentence with some adjacent consonants in. Now, that is our first video, and it was all on the adjacent consonants N and D, and when they're together they make the nd sound. And I've just realised at the start of each video, when we're on phase 4, I want us to recap the phase 3 digraphs together. Now, I forgot to do it at the start, silly Miss Stansfield, but we're going to do it together now. Z, ch, A, E, I, O, O, U, A, O, ow, oi, ear, air, y, and well done for doing those with me. Now, the different colours means nothing. I was just running out of different, of the same piece of paper, of the same coloured piece of paper, so sorry about that. Ignore the different colours. We've learnt some of them. We've done some videos together. Now, some of them we've learned in school. If your child is struggling to remember some, and you would benefit from another video, say they're forgetting E or N or Th, and you'd like me to do another video, just drop me an email or write a comment and I will try my best to squeeze some extra time in, because I want to do that for you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning the first adjacent consonant together. I hope you enjoyed recapping the phase 3 digraphs and trigraphs, and I hope that's been useful. Yeah, so we'll do the next video when we learn another set of adjacent consonants together. Thank you for learning phonics with me, and miss you all lots. Keep smiling, guys.